To be honest, I wanted to buy, first I want to buy DJI Osmo Pocket 3. But then when I saw this small camera and the ability of putting this small gadget everywhere you want, and don't be shy of shooting or filming yourself in front of others, that's make me to want this camera more than DJI Pocket 3. But what I didn't like when I filmed my dance class, the picture wasn't so good. Yeah, it wasn't smooth, and the quality of the video, I didn't like it. Maybe because I didn't put correct lighting or any settings, so that's might cause a bad quality of my video from the dance class. I'm gonna shoot right now a little bit outside. It's freaking freezing outside. It's minus 20 and I don't really want to go anywhere, but my fish are hungry, probably starving. So it is 3 minutes of shooting and the camera, it's not so hot. Yeah, so it's okay. Let's see. So let's check it out how it's going to look outside. Nobody outside, of course, because it's cold. Well, I really wanted to film more outside, but it is extremely cold. Just look at my face. It's, oh, you can't see, but it's a bit red, and I'm crying because of this cold. Yes, this is Russia.